Good morning, dear students. In previous class, I have discussed with you that what is the significance of diagnosis, and by allopath and homeopath, and how to utilize in repertory. One more thing, that this diagnosis I have discussed with you earlier also in organ of medicine and its relation with repertory class, that this diagnosis is allopathic diagnosis. But whenever you are prescribing, then you have to do one more diagnosis, that is miasmatic diagnosis. It means which miasm is predominant. How you will do? Same procedure, that you will evaluate the symptom, and then symptom will be consulted with that which type of miasm it is related. So same way we will discuss this. We have earlier discussed, and in future classes also we will discuss it more related to one other topic, prognosis. Now we will focus on what is diagnosis completed. Now next part come in PM, management. So management is one of the major thing, either by us, either by any other medicine system doctor. So you, my dear students, you must remember one thing, that management does not belongs to any science, particular science. Management does not belongs to or does not have any particular science does not have full authority only on that management will be only by this. Management is a common thing which must be done by practitioner of every system of medicine, either by us, by other branch of IS doctor, or by allopathic physician, whatever practitioner. Management is essential because it is the management which will remove all the obstacles to cure. If you are not able to manage a case by restricting, for example, a case of diabetes, whatever medicine you are prescribing, but if you are not managing the case in terms of diet, in terms of his regime, then in terms of his lifestyle, your medicine will affect. You will get some result by your medicine. But for example, what I told, diabetes. So you have taken totality, leading to homeopathic medicine, homeopathic remedy, prescription. Now it will lead to improvement of case. You have taken totality of symptom, remedy prescription. So totality of symptom ko you can say that rubric repertorization, then remedy selection. So you can go directly, you can take rubric, repertorize and remedy prescription. Your cases will improve. But up to a limit. If you are restricting in management in diet, management in exercise, management by lifestyle, if you are following all these things, then I am dead sure that you will get result. Whatever will be condition, you will get desired result. And particular after few of students are have applied for STSH and these things. Whenever you are comparing in any medicinal group with control arm, then this management part will help you along. So for doing research in homeopathic, you can do research, but for doing a proper scientific research, you need a control arm. One arm in which you will give homeopathic medicine, and one arm where you will give or placebo or something other management. In that part, this management part will help you along. Without management, there will be many ethical issues and some other legal issues. So patient may go to case, and my dear students, the most important person in this earth is you, your protection, your safety. So you have to save yourself while doing research by applying these management part in your control arm. So these management help a lot. Now you see that a case of diabetes you are prescribing based on totality, based on exercise, based on diet. Now you can take few rubric like argentum nitricum, argentum group, or sulfur patient, excessive desire for sweet. So excessive desire for sweet diabetes patient if have. So this diet part will help you to judge rubric. A case of diabetes mellitus have excessive desire for sweet. It is a common thing. For a diabetic patient, it's a common thing. But for us, if we know the management, we will inquire restriction of diet. But few of patients, you will feel while doing case taking, while treating your cases, you will find that few of cases will be able to follow your dietary advice, will be very good in following your dietary advice. But what will happen while you are treating suppose 100 cases of diabetes, so you will find that few of cases are when you are saying that don't take sugar or don't take thing, but they will say okay. But few of patients may have extraordinary craving for sweet. Their blood glucose level is normal, their energy level is normal, but still they are facing problem of internal excessive desire of sweet. Now, as a practitioner of homeopathic system of medicine, along with as a practitioner of medicine, you know what is concept of allopathy for diabetes What is concept of our homeopathic? It is a condition, just a condition which is having, it means this patient is having a few group of symptoms. So we have to individualize every case of diabetes from other, and we will do specific management, and we will utilize this diet factor. As for excessive desire for sleep, you will take it rubric. You will consider it as a rubric. So this management part will also help you in the selection of a rubric. While you will focus, then they will say that some person will be able to earn, but no, some person are not. So these part, if you will focus, then you will understand that how to convert these portion, and how to observe and analyze and convert them in rubric, and then utilize in repertorization process. So for example, now we discuss diet. Second part, management. Exercise. You know very well that I am talking just a diabetic case, not more now. So exercise. Some patient will be able to do good exercise sufficiently. Some patients are feeling excessive laziness or lethargy. Some patients feel palliation or amelioration by their general symptom. By exercise. Some patients cannot tolerate even slightest exercise. So all these are, while you are managing a case, you are advising diet, you are exercise. So exercise may have different component. You will analyze it after proper considering every factor, and then you will consider according to rubric. This is also rubric. This is also rubric. This is also rubric. So all these symptoms of exercise, which was just management, while doing patient, it will come to know that what he is facing while doing exercise, and it will help you to evaluate your patient more deeply. My dear students, you have studied that what is second prescription. So what is second prescription? Every prescription after first prescription is second prescription. There is no third prescription, only second prescription, which is second from its previous one. So patient came, you advise medicine, you given some management advice, you prescribe medicine, and after some time then he will come for a follow. Whenever you are doing follow-up, you are doing second prescription. So what you will do, you will evaluate the cases based on your action of medicine which you have prescribed in previous prescription, and all the management which you have advised to patient in previous prescription. So this is one more part of management. One more, which is lifestyle. lifestyle for a diabetes, if a person, suppose he is normal, okay, but he is a person working in call center job, or where he is doing a sitting job. Suppose he is doing night watching job. Night watching job, it means any job in which the patient had to work at night while doing night watching. He cannot sleep, he cannot get sleep at proper time of his night time. So what is this? It will have some effect. Suppose a person is in too much stressful, condition. So all this of stress may be newly mother, office work. I have seen only two cases of this: office work, maybe family tension. This newly mother case was, I have seen this Nimhans case. I want to discuss with you that first time in my life I have seen that this type of cases. It was my third day at Nimhans, and I have seen that a baby who was only one month, 15 days, or 2 month old. It was approximately 2 month old, and he was not talking to mother, not very much interacting, not feeling happy when that baby was left with her mother. So one of SRF of Nimhans was teaching us mother baby yoga project. Mother baby yoga program project. So she shown us a case where a baby was not feeling very much comfortable with her mother. So after examining, we have found that mother was also not having too much attachment with their baby. She does not want to become a mother. It was accidental pregnancy or some issue. This type of occurs commonly in our life many times. So these type of cases, you have to manage baby, and you have to manage also mother. Otherwise, two life will be disturbed. And in these type of cases, if you are able to find some mental rubric and in mother, and observe some mindset of child and prescribe based on totality of symptom, particularly based on mental symptom and other body language, you have to observe child symptom, then you will get very good result. So now, by this example, hopefully my dear students, you understood that all this tension, stress, too much stressful life, all these things are rubric. This is rubric, this is rubric, this is family tension. All these things are symptom which can be converted easily into rubric. Bad effect of night watching, this is also rubric. Or too much sitting job, suppose low back pain. Diabetic patient may have many other complications because of diabetes, secondary complication. So you, while you are doing management, you will observe all their lifestyle and you will focus, and then you will while doing second prescription, you will analyze all these things and you will use all these symptoms in your selection of rubrics. Why? Then it will be helpful very much prescribing. In next class we will discuss about prognosis and its importance in our repertoire. Thank you.